Here's the BMW 3 Series Touring once again, proving that wagons aren't dead yet. The 2025 model arrives with updates that should excite both driving enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike. Let me show you what's new across the expanded lineup. BMW starts things off with the entry-level 318i Touring, featuring a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 156 horsepower. It's the perfect choice for those wanting the premium badge and practical body style without breaking the bank. With rear-wheel drive and BMW's excellent 8-speed automatic, it delivers a refined driving experience while keeping running costs reasonable. Moving up the range, you'll find the 320i with its more potent version of the 2-liter Turbo 4, making 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. But the crown jewel remains the M340i xDrive, packing a turbocharged inline-6 with 386 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. Both these engines feature mild hybrid technology with a 48-volt system that can add an extra 11 horsepower boost when you need it. Just pull those paddle shifters and you'll feel the extra punch. BMW has been listening to feedback, and they're addressing what matters most: driving dynamics. The 2025 3 Series Touring gets stiffer, damper mounts, which might sound like a small change, but it could transform how this wagon feels on the road. Finally, we might see the return of that legendary BMW road feel that made older generations so special. The interior gets a serious tech upgrade with BMW's latest iDrive. The new QuickSelect interface makes everything more intuitive, and you'll always have the navigation map visible while scrolling through other functions. The cabin atmosphere is more premium than ever, featuring cascading illumination around the redesigned air vents with 9 different color choices. You'll grip either a modern 2-spoke wheel in the base models or a sporty 3-spoke flat-bottom design in the M340i. Let's talk practicality, because that's where this wagon really shines. The touring body style gives you all the cargo space you need, and smart features like the separately opening rear glass and 40-20-40 split-folding rear seats make it incredibly versatile. Whether you're hauling groceries or loading up for a road trip, this BMW has you covered. The exterior gets some fresh touches too. 2 new metallic colors join the lineup: Arctic Race Blue and Vegas Red. For those wanting something extra special, BMW Individual offers Frozen Pure Gray and Frozen Portimao Blue finishes. The M Sport package brings new 19-inch M double-spoke wheels in either two-tone or jet black finish. Pricing starts at $46,600 for the 320i, while the more powerful M340i xDrive will set you back $62,700. The new 318i should start slightly lower, making the range more accessible than ever. What's particularly exciting about this refresh is how BMW seems to be reconnecting with what made the 3 Series special in the first place. While everyone else is pushing customers toward SUVs, BMW continues to perfect the wagon formula. The 2025 3 Series Touring combines practicality with genuine driving pleasure, and that's becoming increasingly rare these days. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more car reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 BMW 3 Series Touring. Is this the kind of wagon that could bring you back to the body style? Or are you sticking with SUVs? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.